Want to speak about the future like a native? Today, you'll learn how to use the future continuous tense in everyday English with 50 practical affirmative sentences. Let's begin. Structure of future continuous tense affirmative. Subject plus will be plus ing form of the verb, present participle plus object. For example, I will be studying for my exam. They will be watching a movie. She will be cooking a dinner. This tense is used to talk about actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. 50 affirmative sentences in the future continuous tense. I will be reading a book tonight. She will be baking a cake in the afternoon. He will be driving to work at 8 a.m. They will be attending a wedding next weekend. We will be having dinner by 8 p.m. You will be learning new skills in the workshop. The baby will be sleeping at that time. My friends will be coming over for the dinner. John will be watching TV all evening. I will be working on my project tomorrow. She will be talking to her manager. They will be shopping for groceries. We will be traveling to Lahore next month. You will be listening to music. He will be playing cricket at 5 p.m. I will be attending the seminar. She will be preparing her speech. They will be practicing their dance. We will be waiting at the station. You will be helping your parents. He will be walking his dog in the evening. I will be sending you the file tonight. She will be painting the walls. They will be building a new house. We will be celebrating her birthday. You will be watching a documentary. He will be jogging in the park. I will be cleaning my room. She will be writing her diary. They will be studying for exams. We will be attending online classes. You will be driving to the beach. He will be recording a podcast. I will be visiting my grandparents. She will be calling her best friend. They will be playing video games. We will be exploring new cities. You will be decorating your home. He will be learning Spanish. I will be feeding the cats. She will be checking her emails. They will be discussing the plan. We will be eating lunch at the office. You will be joining us later. He will be booking the tickets. I will be preparing for the interview. She will be making a YouTube video. They will be enjoying the concert. We will be staying at a hotel. You will be reading the instructions carefully. Great job! You have just practiced 50 future continuous sentences. Keep using these patterns in your daily speaking to improve fluency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grammar videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.